Hello students, welcome to computer class. Today let us learn virus and its type. Computers and data have become the lifeline of any organization. If something goes wrong with computers or the data, business almost come to a standstill. This causes a lot of thousands or even millions hours of hard work and research. A computer virus is a program or a set of programs that disrupt the normal operation of a computer. Virus infects or destroys data. It enters in the computer without the permission or knowledge of the user. The full form of virus is Vital Information Resource under siege. The essential resource of the computer like memory, processing speed, data, programs, etc. cannot have normal operations and can be harmed when virus is spread. Virus programs are self-replicating and are continuously expanding their reach by infecting more and more computer files, resulting in loss of speed and destruction of data. Computer programs are written to tell the computer what the user wants it to do. But virus programs make the computer do those things which you do not want. Normally, it enters through an infected floppy, pen drive, or even internet and email. Computer virus is a software developed by an expert programmer which can replicate itself and spread from one computer to another without the user's knowledge and run against our wishes. They get inserted into host program and propagate when the infected program is executed. Computer virus occupies almost the entire memory space and brings the system to a halt. It changes all the existing data. All essential data may get deleted. The system will start functioning erratically. Types of viruses. Computer viruses can be categorized based on their target, types of attack, and source. Memory resident viruses. These viruses reside in RAM and get activated each time any program runs in the memory. A memory resident virus is a virus that is located in the memory of the computer even after the host application or program has stopped running. A resident virus will load its replication module into memory, so it does not need to be executed for it to infect other files. Rather, it activates whenever the operating system loads or operates a specific function. Examples: Radex, CMJ, Maeve, and MR-Clinky. Multipartite viruses. These viruses spread and infect in multiple ways. Multipartite viruses tend to work fast and some of the infections are settled and are unnoticed. Hard drive gets reformatted by itself. The file size of applications and programs keep changing continuously. The file extension of word processing software gets changed to dot from DOS. They tend to hide in the computer's memory but do not infect the hard drive. Example: Flip, Enveda, Tequila. Ghostball was the first multipartite virus discovered by Frederick Sulson in October 1989. Direct action viruses. The main purpose of this virus is to replicate and take action when it is executed. When a specific condition is met, the virus will go into action and infect files in the directory or folder that it is in, and in directories that are specified in the autoaccess.bat file path. This batch file is always located in the root directory of the hard disk and carries out certain operations when the computer is booted. Overwrite virus. This virus infects the files and programs by partially or totally deleting the original content and overwrite data in the system memory. It is considered most harmful virus as it deletes the original content. Example, way trj.reboot trivial.88.d. Boot virus. These types of virus affect the boot sector of a floppy or hard disk. This is a crucial part of a disk in which information on the disk itself is stored together with the program that makes it possible to boot or start the computer from the disk. The best way of avoiding boot viruses is to ensure that floppy disks are write protected and that your computer is never started with an unknown floppy disk in the disk drive. Examples: polyboot.b, anti-X. Macrovirus. Macrovirus infect the macros present in the applications like Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, etc. This virus replaces the macros and automates a series of operations, thus blocking the execution of commands. This virus mostly spread through emails. Examples: relax, militia.a, Bablas, O97M bar Y2K. Directory viruses. These viruses infect the file paths of executable files and commands files. So when you execute a file, you actually execute the virus and not the original file. Once a file is infected, it becomes impossible to locate the original files. This is also known as cluster virus. Example, dir-2 virus, otherwise known as stealth virus. Polymorphic virus. Polymorphic virus is a complicated computer virus that affects data types and functions of a program. It is a self-encrypted virus designed to avoid identification during scanning. Once infected, it creates various duplicates of itself and make it difficult to identify. Examples: Elkrane, Mabug, Settenbug, and Twaren.